Hello, I'm here to talk to you from Amma Marine about a number of different Bimini top accessories and tools that you may or may not have heard of before. And some of these are quite neat, and so I'd like to go through some of these with you and show you some that may be useful for you. So along the Biminis and snap covers, we've got a number of small little attachments that can be put via adhesive. So this is not so known, but it's made by Sea-Dog, and Sea-Dog makes these adhesive type snaps. So if you are worried about screwing into the boat, the backing can be glued on to the boat, and then you can use that snap. So if ever you've got a hole that you don't want to patch up or that you're worried about, or rot that you insert a new screw for the snap and it will not set, this could be a solution for you. You could also use it for a number of different options where setting a snap like in a windshield can't be done. So these can be glued on a windshield and then you can insert your snap in. So they're quite useful, and so they're available in different colors. So you've got them in white, you've got them in black, and this, what appears to be red, is in fact transparent. And you've got both the male and the female alternatives for you. So this red one here, when you remove it, it's actually transparent and it has a male snap. These versions here are also the same, but they're in all white configuration. And Sea-Dogs makes quite a few little different assortments for different complications that can occur when it comes to snaps. So they also have the reverse female adapter that you can glue on. You also have a D-ring style that you can snap on that creates a D-ring on the existing male snap that you might have. So something that could be useful, and I thought I'd just go over these because they're not quite known and they can be really useful for tailoring something specific that you'd like to do on your top. Next, and these are hugely popular, Amma Marine produces extended snaps, and these are designed for those covers which are receding and basically are too difficult to snap on with your bare hands. So we have a tool to help that. We also have these stretcher snaps. So these stretcher snaps are in packs, and they're in packs of 5, and they're available in navy blue, black, and white. And what they do is they extend, by having one side male and one side female, they extend the existing cover so that instead of fighting to try and snap it down, you simply extend the length without actually having to redo the cover. So this might be really useful when you've got that one snap that's just out of reach. This really helps out. And so these little packs of 5 can be useful, and they're in different colors, so they blend in with your existing cover. Now, along those stretcher snaps, you also have the actual tool. Now, this tool is designed for 2 purposes. They're designed to get into the top with this piece here and pull down to snap on the windshield when you're on the outside. And they also have the other opposite end, which can remove the snap. So it's like a fork type, but it's designed with the edges to fit those snaps exactly. So you can insert and pull off and insert and pull in snaps that may be hard to get at with your fingers. So this is really quite cool. Now, along those tools is maybe you got to look at maintaining those snaps, which is something that's completely overlooked. So we often waterproof those canvases, but we don't actually take care of any of the snaps. And the snaps get dirty, they get old, they get worn, and you can actually lubricate them. So we've got a number of tools to do just that. So the first one is the Snappy tool, and the Snappy tool has lubricant inside with a spring-loaded valve. And when you remove the cover, it's got small little teeth. And those small little teeth will dig into the snaps, and at the same time you push down on it, will actually lubricate the snap itself. And so at the opposite end, you've got a snap cleaner. So this tool lubricates, cleans, and sharpens those snaps so that you can reuse them over and over for a long period of time. It's phenomenal how easy it is once those snaps are lubricated, how they come on and off, and sometimes that's all it takes to rejuvenate those snaps. So this tool does just that. Along those same lubricants as well, you've got what is the equivalent of a lip seal or a lip balm, but for your actual zippers on your canvas. So this is a lip seal style glycerin stick that you put on the zipper, in and out, and then you work the zipper back and forth with that glycerin, and it makes a big difference. The zipper just comes really becomes smooth as you put it on and off. Same thing, Starbright offers a lubricant for the zipper, so it's a more liquid form. So those are two alternatives to maintain your zippers on those Biminis and the boat covers. Finally, for those who need actual repair done on snaps, we have a number of different tools. So this is the big vice grip style with the welded dies to actually compress a number of snaps. So this is like your lifetime plier that you have if you want to redo an entire top. If you've got a few, this is the high quality tool we offer. We also have the smaller tool, which is more of an economical version. So this is designed to do some snap tops. It's a handy kit, and it includes a number of different popular snaps so that you can get the job done and repair those broken snaps. We also have from C-Sense a smaller kit, and this one is not an actual plier, but it's a die. So this is one that you would use a hammer and punch it so that your snap squishes down and you can create that wedge to fix the snaps. So different kits to repair the actual snaps. And then finally, I wanted to add some of the Velcro options we have. So we have a sheet here, and this sheet is actually kind of neat. It's got a bunch of different dots, and it's got different strips that you can use as you need to Velcro things together. So a whole page with small little sample size that are pre-cut. And so you might have this as a handy kit on board, and if you want to Velcro something, you've got this. It's actually quite inexpensive, and it's quite useful to have. So at home or on the boat. And of course, we do have the rolls of Velcro that there can be sewed on or glued on. We do have them in white and black that we can cut per length of foot. On the boat covers themselves, Camco makes a kit which helps to alleviate the puddles that a universal or semi-custom top can make. And so it's a telescopic post with straps that come as a complete kit, and that helps lift and raise and add tension to the existing top. So it helps to secure it. It helps to prevent puddling. Amma Marine, our company, also produces a kit, and this kit is the double post one. So Camco makes the single post in the middle with the straps that go from front to back, and Amma Marine makes the double post version of it. So you've got some options for you when you want to tighten down that cover and make sure it doesn't flap while underway. So hopefully these little useful products here and their demonstration has helped you to find something that could be a solution to help you fix and maintain your tops. With that, contact us for any details. Thank you.